Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix an Amazon gift card that's not working. This is a common frustration that can usually be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps, so let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this section, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Account. This takes you to your main account dashboard where you can manage various settings and features. From the account page, locate and click on gift cards. This section is dedicated to managing all your gift card activities, including checking balances and redeeming new cards. Once you're in the gift cards area, look toward the upper left panel and click on Redeem a Gift Card. This is where you'll actually enter your code. Now comes a crucial step. You'll see a box prompting you to enter your claim code. Here's what's important. Carefully type your claim code into this box, making absolutely sure you match capital letters exactly as they appear on your card. You can ignore any hyphens or spaces unless the page specifically shows them in the input format. Take note that dashes are not required when entering the code. After you've typed it in, click Apply to your balance. If the code was accepted but your balance still doesn't appear right away, don't panic. Sometimes there's a slight delay in the system processing. Wait 1 to 2 hours and then refresh the page or restart the Amazon app if you're using one. After waiting, click on your account again and reopen gift cards and registry to check if your balance has updated. If the problem continues after waiting, there's another approach to try. Open a different browser or use an incognito or private window. To do this in most browsers, look for the 3 dotted lines in the upper right corner. Click on them and select New Incognito Window. This opens a fresh session without any cached data that might be causing issues. Now go back to Amazon.com, sign into your account again, and try redeeming the same code once more. Using a fresh browser session often resolves technical glitches that prevent gift cards from being recognized properly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most issues with Amazon gift cards not working. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.